In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a list on a channel in Slack. We'll walk through this step by step so that by the end, you'll know exactly how to create and share a list directly inside any Slack channel you're working in. This is especially useful if you want to organize tasks, track ideas, or share structured information with your team without leaving Slack. First, open the channel where you want to add your list. This can be any channel, whether it's for your whole team, a specific project, or a smaller private group. Make sure you're actually inside that channel's message view, where you normally type and read messages. Next, look for the small plus icon, usually found near the message box where you'd write a new message. This plus button is used to add more advanced content to the channel, not just plain text. Go ahead and click on that plus icon. When you click the plus icon, a menu will appear with several options for what you can add. From this menu, look for the option labeled List. This is the feature that lets you create a structured list right inside Slack. Click on List to start creating your new list. Now you'll be taken to the list creation view, where you can select or build your list. At this point, think about what you want your list to contain. It might be a checklist of tasks, a series of ideas, or important points you don't want the team to forget. Select the list format or template that best fits what you're trying to share, or simply start typing your items one by one. Once you're happy with how your list looks, click on the Insert button. This action takes your list and prepares it to be added to the message box in your Slack channel. You should now see a preview of the list sitting in the message area, just like a message you're about to send. Finally, when everything looks correct and you're ready for the team to see it, click on the Share button. This will post the list into the channel so everyone who has access to that channel can view it, reference it, and collaborate around it. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can quickly create and share organized lists inside your Slack channels, keeping your team aligned and your information easy to find.